super inflamed skin like this, using a cleansing product on your face that actually does nothing for you. Try using something that has tea tree and has green tea water in it. Green tea water is ultra calming and soothing to your skin. Tea tree is going to help with oil production and help calm acne down. Nature specifically made a cleansing foam that actually does both of this for us. Do you see how well she foams? Skin is not feeling left tight or stripped. It actually feels very hydrated. Point, I have tried every single Blanc Nature product. They are such an underrated Korean skincare brand that actually makes effective products. Do you see? I see this. And it's actually affordable products too. Their cleansing foam just came on TikTok shop. If you guys want to get your hands on it, I'm going to link it below. The price will probably surprise you.